It's a beautiful day, a great life. I'm thrilled we have amidst us Samiksha Singh, ma'am, a versatile teacher who has handled all profiles from assemblies to annual days, to teaching children and touching hearts, to leading a team of teachers as a coordinator, vice principal, and a leader of a school. So I'm super happy to learn from her. Let's learn her transformation story today. Welcome, Samiksha, ma'am.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you ever so much for your generous words. You were too generous with your words.
Ma'am, teachers deserve a lot, and
Yeah,
we
they do.
actually, as a society, fail to recognize, to thank, to acknowledge the magical efforts what a teacher does day in and day out, just like the sun shining bright every day without a holiday. And in this
Absolutely.
pandemic, you have done a lot more. Yes,
Yeah, we have definitely there was too much of work pressure on teachers, administrators, etc. And heading the school again was a very difficult, toughest job that way. But yes, that was all done very well. And here lies the beauty of like this generous profession where everyone is thinking about the benefit of the parents and children and their torture, forgetting theirs. And this is the beauty. We all have evolved as human beings, during this pandemic, I feel.
definitely, definitely. Lot of spiritual growth happened, and
Yeah,
we transformed, and we gave in more efforts as
yeah,
teachers,
yeah.
balancing our family, spouse at home, our own kids.
Uh,
So, all salutations to you, ma'am. We look forward to hearing your story. How did you start, and how did you become a great leader?
no, I don't think I'm great leader as such I am. But yes, I was initially aiming towards civil services. But somehow marriage, this thing changed the prospects. And then in teaching line, then I would like to my sincere gratitudes to all the people who put in trust in me, because in like short span of like 6 years of career, I am heading institution since 4 years of administrative experience I'm having. So I'm really grateful to all the people who had put trust in me, because that is the basic thing you need to get a start, when somebody trusts
Yes,
you,
yes.
right?
Dr.
Mm.
Kiran Bedi always says, for a woman to be successful, she builds a support system. She's
Yeah.
blessed with a support system, and she
Yes.
has a support system. So, thanks to your
Yes.
marriage that you took up into education. Yes. And great leaders nurture leaders. So, your
Absolutely.
leader saw a leader in you. What was
Yeah.
the biggest lesson as a leader did you learn in your life?
The biggest lesson that I learned is before taking any call, we should put ourselves in somebody else's shoes and think. Uh, 1 minute, whatever we are going to take, whichever decision we are going to take, just a 10 seconds pause. I think that can create miracles.
Amazing, amazing. That's empathy.
Yes.
And that's natural to you and inborn trait in you. Wonderful. So, ma'am, what is one important quality the most important quality for a teacher? Do you think?
Teachers should be I feel empathetic. They are not just doing their duties, they are just touching lives. So to touch lives, you need to look certain things beyond your this thing professional aspects. No, it's not like going and delivering lecture and just your work is done. It's not like that. So being empathetic and value towards life, teaching every child as a special child, as their own, that is, I think, very, very
ब्यूटीफुल
important.
ब्यूटीफुल जब मैं नवज्योति में था मैं भी यही बोलता था हर बच्चा मेरा बच्चा है वेरी वेरी
Yes.
नाइस सो
Yes.
इंस्पायर्ड एंड इंस्पायरिंग एंड रीटा
Yeah.
पियर्सन also says relationship students don't learn from the teacher they dislike. So, ma'am,
Mm.
three tips we want. How can schools or how can educators transform India?
Three things for this thing, parents. We should change the goalpost from reforming this thing. We should reform the board exams to test the understanding of the children. Then we should
Yeah.
invest in technology for education. Then we should put more emphasis on the holistic development of the child. I feel that is the most important thing. We should teach our parents also, and we should create general awareness in the society also, that the children are capable of doing much more than the academics. Academics are important, but it's not everything. So we should
Yes.
mark the USP of the child, and we should focus on that rather than forcing them into something which they cannot do.
True, true. We are designed differently. We are wired differently. And
Yeah.
how about developing whole brains and nurturing leaders, making them life ready, not just
Yeah,
exam
how we
ready?
will make them, how we will make leaders, when we have been forcing them to do things. We have never allowed them to take their own decisions. We have never trusted them in their decisions. So how we will develop good leaders? To develop good leaders, it is not a magic wand that I will suddenly use one day and everything will be transformed. It's step by step. It's a very gradual and slow process. So on part of parents also, and on part of teachers, administrators, society in general, we need to transform for that.
Yes, yes, collaboration. And
Yeah.
life is not a race, it's neither a picnic where I can sit back, but it's
No,
a journey.
it's a
Very
journey.
beautiful. Yes, it's a process. So, no
Yeah.
magic wand.
No
Perfect, ma'am.
magic.
I need 3 tips for the teachers, 3 habits for the teachers, what they can develop to be
uh,
dynamic like you and grow in the
that
school
they need
ladder.
to be treating children as their own children, be role models to them. Students or children, they don't listen to your words, they imbibe you, they are inspired by you, they see you, so they look up to you. So your etiquette, your this thing conduct should be in such a way that they are always willing to, like, look forward to. There shouldn't be any discrepancy between what you say and what you do, because children are also very very smart. We underestimate them because of our ego issues, that yes, we are the big ones, so we are always right, but it's not like that always. The
Correct.
observation of children is very very strong if we are careful about that, and if we value them, we can create miracles.
I transform, India transforms. I
Yeah,
transform, world transforms.
absolutely right.
Yes. So
Yeah.
walk the talk. And
Walk the talk.
values cannot be taught, they are caught.
Yeah,
Great masters have
absolutely.
said. So let us
Yes,
live
and
them.
another thing that we need to be, as teachers, you need to be empathetic. Treat the children as you want your children to be treated. Always keep this thing in mind. Whenever there is a confusion, yeah, take it this way: ki how would you like your children to be treated if in the same situation? And
Super.
99% of the problem will be resolved.
Yeah, karma is working. If you take
Yeah,
care of others' children, your
yeah,
children are taken care. If you take care of
absolutely.
children very well, your
Yeah,
children will be taken very well. Yeah,
absolutely. What goes
beautiful,
around
ma'am.
comes around. Yeah, definitely.
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, any tips for the new age youth who is struggling for jobs, searching for jobs, who have lost jobs? Any hope
Struggling
message
from
for them?
any hope message, just only one thing: focus on your own growth. Don't compare yourself with others. Make feel that you are also special, and try to find out that one USP which is lacking in others, and work upon that. Have trust in yourself, which is very very much required in current scenario. Children have lost, like youth, they don't trust themselves. They are just scared of failure. So make sure that you focus on yourself that way, right?
Right, right. So beautiful. I really like this that we all are born with a USP. Discover, develop,
Yeah,
and give it away.
yeah.
Yes, that's what great youth
Yes,
do, and youth alone can.
yeah.
Yes, now coming to
Yes.
kids, what is your message for the little ones who are at home so that they can develop strong minds?
uh, let them play, let them enjoy.
Yes, yes,
Let
helping
them
them
be
blossom.
what they are. Yeah, helping them blossom, because education is not what they are being taught. It is not like 1 year this thing costs, and how much relevance is it carrying. Values are important, or bookish knowledge is important, their well-being is important, or this thing is we need to choose, we need to decide for our children. I feel like it's more like for parents that they present their children as their trophy. मेरा बच्चा मेरा बच्चे ने ये किया, मेरा बच्चा ने वो किया. Stop doing that. Means a child is after all a child, and gradually the child comes to this pressure sooner or later.
A
If he's
beautiful
doing well,
balance.
yeah,
Yeah, health and wealth, success
yeah,
and satisfaction. Beautifully
yes,
said, yes. And
and
let them just
set
be.
and the children should be taught satisfaction and contentment. That is the lesson which should be given. Satisfaction and contentment with whatever they have, whether it is wealth, whether it is health, whether it is academics, whether it is eclots, whatever it is. Just
Let's
let
make it
them
happen.
be.
Yes.
Yes, just let them
Yeah.
be. Yeah.
So, ma'am, last message for the parents. Now you're addressing a PTM. So, what would you
No.
address?
For parents, allow your children to bloom. आप अपनी चीजों को अपने बच्चों के थ्रू पूरे करने के लिए कोशिश नहीं करिए. Don't your unfulfilled desires, don't allow या expect your child to fulfill them. Your child is altogether a different entity. Make him like bloom, him her bloom, blossom and flow. Let them be like a river flowing freely, and it will make its own way gradually.
I like that. Flow with the flow. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, which is your favorite song?
Which is my favorite song? That is a tricky one because I like a lot old, new, everything.
You can sing one or two
uh,
songs for us in one or two lines.
my favorite ऐसे तो लग जा गले, लग
Very
जा
nice.
गले.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
nice. We should balance and have love for the family. Yes.
yeah.
Which is your happiest moment?
I'm always happy, I'm always happy.
This is what Dr. Kiran Bedi said because I asked her the same question. Ma'am, which is your happiest moment? And I was young in those days, 25. I
Oh,
was
okay.
I was expecting her to say, Sunny, मैंने जब उसको पकड़ा, मैंने जब ये medal लिया, वो medal लिया, because I knew there were list of medals and Asian Nobel
Yeah.
Prize, etc. But she didn't say anything. She said, sitting in front of you and laughing. And she
Yeah,
explained
absolutely.
that there is no peak of happiness and the value of sorrow. There's only a
No,
plane
no.
of bliss. Every day is
Yeah,
a great day. Yes. I'm
absolutely
happy.
right.
Leaders think alike.
Yes,
Wonderful.
that is, you are very generous with your words, must say.
I'm thankful to you, ma'am, and I want to keep learning from you. And I want you to
Same
spread
here.
light to millions. It was a beautiful learning from you.
Thank you
And
so
be the
much.
light and keep shining. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Yeah, thank you for your blessings. Thank you ever so much.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. You are a
Thank
special guest,
you.
and I learned a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you. Thank you.
Signing off. See you in the next episode.